Several years ago, a musician asked me to develop a custom synthesizer. It needed to be digital, support 12 musical scales, 5 key signatures, and many other options. I designed it with a rotary encoder and display, but they taught me that since it was to be used in live performance, my interface, which required so much attention, would interrupt their flow, distancing them from the music they were creating and the audience they were creating it for. I needed to add 5 rotary switches. Rotary switches are everywhere, being one of the more common and useful user interfaces for electronic devices. The definitive click as it reaches a new position gives the user excellent feedback, and in many cases they don't have to use their eyes to use a rotary switch. But they also require a lot more wiring, consume more inputs, and add a significant burden to programming. A lot of people avoid adding them to their designs even when they are the best user interface choice because they're so difficult to use. Until now. This is a Switchpot. It's a rotary switch that can be set up with any number of positions between 2 and 12 and requires only one analog input. Even the Arduino Uno can support 6 of these. The code to support it is easy, one line of code and no library is required, although a library will be available if that's what you prefer. Mounting it to a project is easy. Drill 2 small holes, push it through, and tighten the nut. A 6-inch wiring harness is included so you can start using it immediately. Connect the red wire to 5 volts, the black wire to ground, and the blue wire to your analog input. It has a long shaft that can be cut to the size you need and accepts any 1/4 inch knob. It's a simple idea, easy to implement, that solves a complex problem, and now I keep several on hand. You might want to as well. This Kickstarter is the first of many to make user interfaces easier. It's short with limited quantities so I can ensure timely delivery. If you'd like to be notified in advance of my future Kickstarters, please click the follow button to the left above this video.